Lifeguards of the future on Spanish beaches. A drone drops a life jacket to a drowning boy.
Suddenly I heard the message through the radio, and they told me that there was a boy drowning. As soon as I heard that, I engaged the motors and I just fly.
In Spain, a drone has been used to save a teenage boy from drowning after he got into difficulties off a beach in Valencia in heavy waves. Now, the drone was used to drop a life jacket to him just ahead, really very just ahead of the lifeguards getting to him. Now, drones have in fact been rolled out a number of Spanish beaches. I spoke to Miguel Angel Pedrero from General Drones, the company behind the use of drones as lifeguards, who piloted the drone that saved the child. He told me what happened.
I was at service at the beach, it's a normal day, and on a daily basis, and suddenly I heard the message through the radio from our colleagues from the lifeguard team, and they told me that there was a boy drowning. So I just, as soon as I heard that, I engaged the motors and I just fly through that area looking for him. Once I was above him, I deployed the life jacket, and he catch it and wait until the jet ski arrived.
Is it just about dropping a life jacket to somebody, or is it also about finding people?
There are two steps when we try to save someone. The first step is obviously take the drone and go to the area where the person is and find her or him. And then once we find him, then starts the second phase. The second phase is where we deploy the life jacket, but we don't just throw it into the sea. It's like a guide system through a string. So we deliver the life jacket to the swimmer hand. Okay. So once he catch the life jacket, we pull up the drone. The drone gets released. So the person keeps the life jacket. Some people think that we carry the people out of the water, but we don't.
No, the drone would have to be much bigger to actually rescue.
Yeah, that's right. We just give them those seconds that they need until the lifeguards arrive with the jet ski or by swim.
Interestingly, in the video of this case, the boy actually struggles to get hold of the life jacket because the waves are washing the life jacket away from him. So he's trying to grab it, but you don't release the life jacket till he's got a firm grip on it.
That's right. You can put the life jacket around your neck. So before we pull up that string and we release the life jacket, we make sure through the camera, we have a camera in the drone. So we make sure he has it right until he's not attached to the life jacket. Let's say it that way. We don't release it. Okay, and in case he just lose the life jacket, we have a second one in place.
Oh.
There are two life jackets, and every single one of them can hold afloat until 3 people. So it's 6 people that we could save in one shot.
How is the boy, the 14-year-old who was rescued?
Yeah, he was in hospital that night. He had symptoms of drowning. Obviously, he was losing oxygen. But fortunately, the next day he was fine. He went back to his home with his family. So we're happy and proud that we could help that boy.
Drone operating lifeguard Miguel Angel Pedrero from General Drones there.